Hello everyone, a very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the day 9. Tomorrow is the last day. So yes, guys, I hope everyone was did the five tasks. Okay, Santosh, please start the session.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
So, uh, Good evening, everyone. Um, I think everyone was clear with yesterday's animation lighting session and how to export the video. So, is my voice audible to you all, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay, man. So, guys. Uh, did you get any kind of doubts from yesterday? So everybody is personally messaging me. So even though I have told you a number of times, again and again you are asking that same doubt only. You can go for the recording session. Why disturbing at the time of? Okay. Uh, so I'm with my some important works. Okay. So guys, can I start the session? 70 members are arrived up till now. Okay. So, do you want any kind of other topics from this session? Okay, today or tomorrow we can discuss that. So, 3 point lighting or so. Yesterday I have told that. Yeah, I have told that. See in the recording session. Okay, I have shown how that. Okay, rigging. Today we are going about the rigging. Okay, text animation. Okay, yeah. So I will tell about the text animation. Okay. Okay, next, any other topics? So today we are going to talk about rigging. Okay, camera setting. Camera setting. I have told now. Camera setting. So how to adjust the lens means focal length. That's only enough for you. Okay. So again, the how to move the camera along with your axis that I have told you now yesterday and day before yesterday. So okay, walkthrough means okay. We should have a 3D model. Okay, I have the 3D model. So okay, still. Still, guys, my Blender software is about to start. Okay. Okay. So, okay. If you want a walkthrough, okay. Still, so okay. Today and tomorrow we have the time. Okay. So you can ask the topics with limited. Okay. Explain the text writing by hand, and so that is not in our syllabus or something. So that's another software. Yeah. So that's Easy Pro, etc. Okay, you can search in the net. So hand text animation or something. Okay. So I will start the session. Okay. Still, anybody want to ask anything? So only 79 members. So only. So tomorrow I will tell the YouTube channel of mine. My YouTube channel. Okay. So that's not animation, but so in groups, so 120 members are arriving. So if you subscribe to the channel, so that might be a help for me and my team. Okay, so we can make that. Okay. So I have previously told the channel name. Okay. So I will start. I will start the session. It's 10 minutes. Okay. Over. Okay. Is the screen visible, guys? Is the screen visible?
Yes, Santosh.
Okay, madam. So okay. Uh, So this is the basic interface. Okay, everyone got habituated for this, right? So okay, I will uh, I will tell about the rigging. Today we are so better to talk go for rigging. Okay, so I will delete this cube. Okay, and the shift here. So for bone animations, here you are able to see armature, right? So okay, armature you have a single bone. So this is a bone. So Maya you have different kind. You need to press Control P in Maya. So for Blender I think uh, so it's somewhat simple. Okay, you can go in this way, Shift A and press armature and a single bone. Okay, you need to go for edit mode. So let me on my screen test piece. Okay, so it will be a plus point for you. So you might understand in a better way. Okay. Mm, okay. Now, so go to tab edit mode by pressing tab. Okay, you can so see the direction. So from this is the so what a binding point, and this is the verge point. So whatever name you can keep, okay, it's up to you. But this is the node and this is the bone. Okay, so totally this is called as a bone. Okay, so this is the vertex, so bone vertex this is. Okay, so if you press E, you can get a new bone from this mother. This is the parent. I mean this is the parent bone. So this is the child bone to this bone. Okay, so here you can see some armature and bone properties, bone deform or etc. Okay, so if you want to rigify or so okay, relations you can get. So this is the parent bone. So bone, this is the, this is bone, this is bone 01. So you can assign the bone as per your requirement. Okay, so for something what we say, uh, let me say, like hand animation, animal movements, or something etc which are related to bones. These are much useful. Okay, so see that you extrude it properly if you want it in a specified direction. So see that it is somewhat bend. Okay, you need to make it properly. Okay, so okay, I think this is not perfect. Let me press delete. Okay, delete bones. Okay, press delete bone. This is perfect. Okay, let me press G Z. So G, if I press G and Z, okay, sorry, escape. Press E and press G and Z. So it will be now perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now if you press to the down side, so go to a select box. You press Z Z. So sorry. First press E and G Z. See, now the difference between these two bones is if you want to extrude, it will be in the reverse direction to this. Okay, like this is useful for tail animations, like for dogs, cats, or any dragons, etc. Okay, so this is up till bone session. So you can have pose mode. Okay, pose mode means you can animate the what we can say. So like a rigging, this is called rigging. Okay, so previously we used to have here rigging. Okay, animation and rigging session in the previous session, like previous features, so sorry, previous versions. Okay, sorry, previous versions of Blender we used to have a rigging session. So afterwards, the animation tab is same. Okay, pose mode and other we have a number of like what we say layouts same with the same specifications. So whatever we do in the animation tab, we will do in the pose mode and rigging tab, etc. So that they have reduced this one. Okay, so animation tab we can do, so somewhat it's comfortable. So you can see the camera view here, and you can do the rigging here. So that's so it's it's nice. Okay, so let me just I will pause the screen just for a minute. Okay, so okay guys, Now it's visible, right? So sir, use displacement modifier. So I am getting not getting option in armature. So edit preferences add-ons. So yeah, yesterday I have told you that, right? So even though they are asking, so that's why I didn't reply the guys who pinged me. I have told to see yesterday's session, even though they are telling not something. So not looking at that and asking. So I didn't reply for that. Okay, I will reply if it's a genuine or correct whatever. From your point of view, it might be a correct, but it's not correct. Okay, so let us go to the layer session. So now it's object mode. So in the object mode, I have told you before many times. So object mode deals with the whole objects in the scene, whereas the edit mode deals with the single object properties. Okay. Okay, guys. So, mm, let's take a base model. So I have a, I think it's a dot obj. Okay, okay. Let me show you the basic. So before going to our rigging, let me show you the kinds of armature you can get in the Blender. Okay. So single bone you have gone. Yesterday I have shown you the human meta rig, right? So you can see the facial expressions. So facial bones. Okay, sorry, facial bones. So you can see this all kinds of views. So here detailedly you can see the face, nose, eyes, and somewhat cheek, and so sorry, not cheek. Okay, this is cheek, right? So this is the cheek joint. Okay. So again, a chest for somewhat animations, for chest animations, and everything, thick bones, shoulders, so wrist along with the fingers. Okay, so you should know about this, because if you go for a high-end poly, if you want to make like 3D like Spring or etc. 3D short films, if you want to make, you should know about this perfectly, like closing of eyes, movement of the face, facial expressions, etc. Okay, so that's mandatory. Okay, that's why I'm showing you even unlimited. So animals, first bird. Let's see the bird. Okay. Uh, so see for bird, wings with feather animation. So if you want, okay, and so for nose, like what we say, a beak, right? For birds, we call it as a beak. For beak, it's okay. For upper beak or lower, so the terminology I don't know. Okay, and this is the spinal. I think spinal we call it, right? And this legs. Okay, so generally for birds we have uh, three what we say, fingers or something. Okay, three. Okay, the terminology it's up to you. So if you want for nails also, you can extrude it. Okay, it's in the edit mode. Okay, and now we're going to another. Someone asked a text animation, right? I will show you. Definitely, I will show you. So I want that from your side. So if you would ask something interesting from the day starting, we might complete this basic session fastly and go for applications. So somewhat like some people wanted to make a car animation. So some people wanted their project to be displayed something. Okay, so games, for games they want to make their own models, right? So okay, we can make. I too made some I know Unity, so that's why I made my own assets and made a game. Okay, I have made a game. So not only one game, I have made some games. Okay, nearly four games I have made, but I kept that. So Android, I have made touch only for one game. I have made touch. For PC games, I have made. Okay, so not that much. So these are the ears. Okay, eyes. So I think it's somewhat clumsy for you. So we have a mode, but I don't want to enable it. So if we enable that, sometimes the backbones won't be. We are unable to see that. Okay. So this all about the cat. This is a cat, but we can use for tiger animation, lion animations. So they all become a belong to a simple family, right? So same family. Sorry. So okay. So press shift here and go for horse. So for horse, donkey, camel. So camel also we can make this giraffe. So see like for horse, it's somewhat for okay. This is all nice, right? So you can use this for even camel it supports. Okay, giraffe you can extrude this one, the select this area and extrude this one, and okay, and go for animals, shark. So for fish too, you can use this. Okay, by deleting this armature. By deleting this armature, you can go for fish. Okay, so as a shark has a long beak, you can make that. So we can do by making a simple shark base and assigning this armature to it. We can make this possible. Okay, so again we can go for wolf. So wolf means not only for wolves. Okay, so this looks like a dog. Okay, so we can use this for dog animations also by
Santosh,
modifying some. Madam,
can you share the screen once again? Stop present and share again because I'm unable to see.
okay,
I
madam.
think my internet problem. Okay, share again.
Okay, madam. So is it visible, madam? Now,
Ah, yes, yes, now we.
okay. What is the name of the game? So it's not available in Play Store, yeah, Mr. Harshvardhan. I didn't keep it for Play Store because of for keeping in Play Store we need to pay somewhat 2,500 or etc. So I don't want that much to pay. Okay, so future we can make that. We can't find human and bird armature. Yes, sir, we can't find human and bird armature. So how? Why can't you find that? It's by default, yeah. Or else go for add-ons. Okay, we can. So we can so figuring so for previous versions like 2.83 up till 2.83 2.90 also it's available by default here. So for some people it's going wrong. Okay, so okay, so basic metaverse human you can see. So generally we use this what we say, this armature. Okay, we don't go for a human metaverse because it needs a lot of so bone data. So we need to make every bone data to be perfectly for a smooth animation or perfect animation. We need to make every bone to be rigged. Okay, so that we don't go for that human meta rig. Uh, so rather than meta rig, we go for this armature shape or a basic animation. So if we want to go for a high end animation for 3D models of human or etc., we go for an add-on. There is an add-on like auto rig and rigify. So here in the add-on preferences, so go for add-on. So see this carefully again. You so don't message me. Okay, so here we so see here skin rigify. So see Rigify automatic read from so you can see the documentation etc. Okay, here skin Rigify create a mesh from the selected ones. Okay, so you can see this right pose mode sidebar create tab. Okay, so let's check whether it works or not. Okay, skin Rigify. So you can enable this. So animation correct to shape is so this comes with like a graph editor or something etc. Okay, you can go for the documentation or etc. if you want. So go in detail whether it suits your application you want to do. Okay, okay. So so camera rigs I have gone through this. Okay, it's not that much, but it makes somewhat useful when you go for a specific object to be focused, you go for camera rigs. So you have a tab like so, but you lose the flexibility of the camera. So like you can't move the camera as it is, like lock camera screen or etc. Because if you focus a specific one, you can't move that. It has a specific focus point. Okay, someone asked about the walkthrough, right? So walkthrough we can make that. So walkthrough is somewhat uh, beginner. So if again we can get the chance on a Blender software, so we can from that we can go for in depth in Blender software, like dealing with animation scenes or with the 3D model, high end 3D models and etc. Okay, so okay, now talk about. So here they are saying that pose mode. So pose mode we need to go sidebar, create tab. Okay, let's see this. So go for pose mode. So where is this skin rectify? So add shape. They're asking for add shape. Okay. So see, it added a shape. So here they gave an error, but I am unable to see because this screen share or something it's showing, right. So we can go uh, create Rigify. So here Rigify DevTools code mesh. So here we can go for something like this is the new feature skin Rigify. Okay. So this branch recruit. So sorry. So see, if we disable this one, okay, we can go for this. So, but remember the thing, guys. So you are seeing this bone when you are making this one. So whenever you go for rendering mode, so okay, let me show you this one. So first, let us add a light. Okay. So let me take a plane. So easier. So now go. Okay, let me add a light. Okay, a spotlight or something. Okay. So let's go for 3 point. So 3 point sun. So sun is better, but we need to decrease the light strength. Else everything will be somewhat. So 100. It's enough, I think. 100 will be nice. So let's go for 100. So okay, sorry. We need to set this. So this is creating somewhat irritation to me, because previous versions we don't have this one. So even many of them are getting this one. So see, okay, you're able to see this one, right? So I think bones won't be visible. So but previously bones are not visible in the rendering mode. So see, once let us render an image. So then we can get a clarity. Okay, let us render this one. So see, here I got clarified. So see, no bone is visible to us. So there is no bone. Okay, visible. So only bones are visible in the working mode. Okay. So I think let's delete this one. Okay. So I am deleting this too, and go for material mode. So deleting this one, and I will go for my base mesh. So I have a base mesh. Okay, if you want, I will try to provide that one. Okay. So is my screen visible, guys? So guys, screen is stuck. So
Screen, your yeah, now your screen was.
so I don't know, man. What's the problem? What's the wrong?
Okay,
So
okay, you can continue now. Your screen was visible.
okay, now it's okay, right? So voice also okay now, madam?
Yeah.
Okay, madam. Okay. So let's import this 3D model. Okay. So it will get some. So see, this is a man 3D model. Okay. So I want. So when you import this one, it will be like this orange color. When you click on this, it will get somewhat yellowish orange color. Okay. So remember that one. Okay. When you import anything on Blender, okay, you need to have a perfect base model. Okay. So let us click armature. So I don't want to go for this human. So let me show you that one also. So why I am saying this is that much. So see, now if I want to adjust this one to this mesh, see that I can adjust this one. Okay, I can adjust this one. Okay, we can anyway adjust this one. So but see how much this is. So it's difficulty. Anything goes wrong. So like if any bone is not compatible with this mesh skin, okay, we what we say, there will be automatic weights. We will make this to automatic weight, so it will show an error, so you will be clumsy and irritated to do this. Okay, as the, I think someone asked about the dynamic sky. So and properties, world properties. Okay, I will show that too. Okay, don't worry. So again, in Blender, you have a n number of things to discuss. So beautiful things we have in the Blender, right? So I will show you that also. Okay, don't worry. So see, if we go for edit mode, so if I select this one, so you can't see what else you are selecting. Okay, if I press G, so it's somewhat difficult to see. Uh, so see, there is somewhat mismatch with this. So, but if you want to make this armature, I want to press X. Okay, so if I press, so see, so we have an advantage. If we press X, both sides will be equally. If it's a symmetrical mesh, you can make this equal the others too. Okay, so see that. So see, from the front side, I am able to see that. So it's like this. Okay, so we need to observe it clearly. Okay, else our full work will be so lost. Okay, So make it somewhat perfect. It takes some time, but don't get irritated for this. Okay, you need to. So this. So first, this is the basics. So you need to make the basics. So what I want to tell is in the so what we say like your childhood you will be learning about a b 1 plus 2 2 plus 3 you will be learning about the addition but you have calculators but why did you learn that one so because you need the basics to make anything okay so the same is this bone animation so you need to first have this one learn perfectly so what is this freezing so your screen sharing is again not working. So what is happening here today? So I'm not getting over. So I have a good internet connectivity here, 30 Mbps nearly it's coming. Okay, so now it's visible. So it's visible reply here. Yeah, okay. So tell okay. So what is this here today? It's creating somewhat hell. So let me. So adjust this bones perfectly. Okay. So don't get irritated. Okay, for this bones. If you want so perfect animation, you need to adjust these bones. Okay. See see that whether I want to show you a simple thing just a thing so see here you are able to see this node right so here from the node there is a dotted black color line to this node okay so what this shows is this bone is a child related with this node or bone okay so it depends on the key constraints so we call it as a constraint okay so constraints are the main important aspects okay so just to make it by somewhat patience okay I am too irritated I have a simple thing to do but I don't want to tell it present because so if I tell that one you don't even care for this so again when you make some if you want to make anything you will get stuck so if you everything work at so what we say if something is there in before and you want to work on that you will be available with all kinds of what we say resources but you want to make a new thing there won't be any resources available okay that's the thing I want to tell you because when I want to learn this blender okay there are nothing resources at the time so recently only there are a number of resources okay so okay everything is right let me adjust this so it's perfect right here up to the hands it's perfect so everything is inside the mesh so now coming to the legs okay So see that everything is so the mistake of mine is I have took this human metallic. Okay, so see, so it's somewhat outside. So like this. Okay, again I need to go for this and okay, and again this one. So we need to adjust for this one. So I want to show the difficulty when you select this one. So you will be in a logic. So we have to took a human character. So why not for go for a human mesh? So that's why I want to show this one to you. Okay. So so if you want to after finishing your bone setup. So my bone setup is finished now. So we need to go first select this mesh, okay, and again press shift and select this bone, okay. After that press control P. So see armature deform you have with automatic weights, okay. Press this one. So it takes a time depending on your mesh, okay. So be patient for that. Else, if you do any kind of a wrong, so it will totally waste your work. Okay, you need to delete that one. Okay, if you make wrong. Okay, so see, it's so here I am able to see only meta rig, so pose or etc. Okay, see side. So is it visible to you guys? That 3D model. Ah, yeah, it's available in Google. You can see that, sir. That object do any action or motion, sir? What you are going to say, sir? That object do any action or motion? Okay, what is that? I am not getting. So how to import? Okay, I have shown you now. What are you doing when I have imported that one? Okay, so you have to see here. Screen got freeze. Okay, no body body not with us. What is that in training here? Okay, your is more than mine. Your screen froze, sir. Okay, so I have, I have shown you in the previous when I have imported that what we say a box I have imported, right? You have, so okay, again I will show after this one. So are you speaking, sir? Hey, is my voice visible to you guys? So reply once, guys. If you import not, yes. So why? But yes. So yes, sir. So who is that guy saying no, no, no? It's his problem. Okay, confusing the whole session. So okay, guys, don't get disturbed. Okay. So my Metarig is finished. Okay, see here, pose Metarig final base mesh. So I need to go select this one and go for pose. Don't press tab. Only go for pose. So if your base mesh is completely, I mean, perfectly rigged. Okay. So if you move this one, so somewhat, if I press R, so see this hand is moving, right? So see, let me show you. So see, this hand is moving. So when we go for object mode, so see, this hand is moving. So I am able to move this hand. So someone asked previously, what when I gone for sculpting mode class, okay. Uh, so I have made a model and a sword, right? So someone asked how to make the mesh or that object to sit on a throne and with the sword, holding the sword. So you can make in this way. See, this hand is moving and this fingers also will move. Okay. See, if I press Control Z, it's done. So see, I want to show you another thing. Okay, but if you are okay with this, so if I go for Rigify, it will be what we say disturbed. Okay, but I don't. So here we can go for same. Okay, if I press this one, see both hands will be moving. So let us make him as an exercise man. Okay, Uh, Let me show you. Press this keyframe. Set. Press this one. So here is a selected keyframe. So go for 20 and press down. Okay. Okay. Let us go for 40 and press. So deselect this one and now keep this one. So okay. So again go for 50 frame. Keep this one. Yesterday I have told you this, right? Okay. So again go for this one. Uh, so this arm. Okay. Uh, so okay, again go for another arm. So one thing you should observe. So when I am selecting this arm, the before keyframe got lost. Okay, here see you are unable to see this one. So that is because the keyframe which are visible to us is only for this armature. So this armature has been moving from the initial stage. Okay, so at this keyframe we didn't move this armature, only that left hand armature only we have moved. Okay, so that is the reason we are unable to see this one. Okay, so okay, so now go for expose mode and so I think let us see the animation once what we have did. So go for object mode. So so okay, don't get irritated for this bone. Okay, so it will go. It won't make any disturbance for your animation. Okay, so let us play our video. So see, so it's perfectly all right, right, guys? Yes. So is it perfectly all right? Are you satisfied with that rigging? Okay. So okay, okay. So this is the rigging. Okay, if you want to animate, so go for a camera move. So yesterday I told you that one. Press N, go for view, make this camera view, and press N. So you can make this. So okay, someone asked about the walkthrough, right? So you can have multiple cameras in Blender. Okay, so you can have this camera, that camera, and you can select this according to the markers. So here if you press M, so let me so place your mouse pointer at the timeline and press M. So here you are able to observe a marker has been a marker has been placed at the timeline at 72 frames. So if I want to keep at 60, so I press M, so a marker has been placed. So see at for 49 plus M. So these are the markers. Okay. Okay. Now if I press go for another, so this won't work here sometimes. Okay. So don't blame me if this won't work for sometimes. Okay. So here you go for camera and go for another camera. So like camera 01. So okay, sometimes it work like that. That's what I am saying. So camera auto sensor project. So you can add a background image. Let me say. Uh, so okay, I will show you in tomorrow class that one. Okay, we can make so if you want to open anything, so let me show you in this class only. So why for that only tomorrow? So it will be clear when you go for another class. Okay, so that's why I want to tell, but only showing today. But in discussion about that we can make tomorrow. So I think this is or this. Okay, if you go for 0 and render, so okay, should be visible here. Be visible. So what is the fault here? Okay, single image sequence. No. Okay, okay. The I got what's wrong. Okay, okay. Yeah, something is wrong. Okay, I will show you tomorrow that one. So it's gone. Okay, see here, it's gone. So the thing is, something is wrong here. Okay, let me show. I'll try it now only. Okay. Don't in Blender you need to get up. Thing is you shouldn't give up here. If you give up in Blender, I think make you lose. So see here you are able to see the background image in front of your 3D model. Okay, okay. See, so I want to change the material color to somewhat texture like creamy. So this is the skin color, right? So this is the. I don't want the camera image. Okay, if you don't want that you can paste that one. Okay, background images. Okay, so zero. Why it's coming like this? So okay, it's two working here. It's two working. So something is wrong with the cameras. So if I press the both cameras, so sometimes you will get like this. Okay, okay, I will show you that in tomorrow class because it takes a lot of time. So we are talking about rigging, right? So that's why I am not going to show you about this. Okay, if we want this to be perfectly so in a perfect mode, okay, let me adjust the sun because the sun, where is the sun? So let me adjust the sun to 50. So this is like a human mesh, right? Somewhat. So let us go for body properties. So this one, so skin, everything is nice, roughness, so no materials shining, you are able to see, right? So here we have a white lighting. Okay, by default we get that. Okay, so if you see, so okay, the starting press this. So are you able to see this one? So camera walkthrough, someone has asked him. Uh, so see at 72 72 I have changed this one from here to here. So that's why it gone like this. Okay, this is the walkthrough. Okay, so I think you might have observed. If you not observe, okay, let me show you. Okay, if I keep the rig here, okay, if I press M, so this is a marker, and now after switching to another keyframe I will press this one, keep a marker. Okay, so let us go and press this one. So I am keeping this one, I am comfortable with this one. And okay, 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 again I think I have kept a marker right here. I think I have kept a marker. Okay, it's working. Yeah, we have another trick. Sorry. Uh, so we can go here and see about the, okay, okay, I got. So we can go and keep turn on this auto keying. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so see, it's working. Okay, if I go and uncheck this one, we can do this. So see, so this is not that good animation. Okay, if you want to make a smooth kind of animation, go for what we say. So first, let me split this one. So let me split this one. Go for dope sheet or not graph editor. Okay, you zoom this one. So see the kind of animation somewhat. If you want to smooth this one, press Alt A. Okay, it's gone. Totally, it's gone. So for this Alt A, so the difference in the animation you can observe, but I don't prefer this one for small animation. So this is a small animation, right? You might not observe much difference. So guys, are you able to hear me? Somewhat a notification is coming, like internet disconnecting or something. Hello, hello. Reply once. Reply once, yeah. Okay, okay. So text animation, okay. There is nothing like text animation here. So let me show you. So see, both got. So if you want to render this one, yesterday I have shown you render animation, right? So so let me shift A. So here you are able to see a text, right? So see. So see here, you have a text. Press tab, and in the edit mode you will be getting the space backspace. Press backspace. So write something like so body mesh. Oh, who is this here? Go for the object mode. Press here. So what's voice audible audio file? So okay, again freeze visible screen screen not able. You are unable to see. Okay, okay. Okay. So I think you didn't get what I have told about the text animation. Okay. Again, I will delete this one. So I will shift this cursor to any other area. So, I think it's time up now. So we can talk about this tomorrow. But let me show you how to make this text. Okay. So text, you can get this one. Press tab and press backspace. So let's body rig. Okay. So sorry, body rig. Go for tab where you can see some properties. Okay, you can explore this one. Okay, it's up to you. So tomorrow I will tell about that in detail. Okay, so I think this is the today's session. Okay, it's I think it's somewhat interesting, or it's up to you. Visible task. Okay, task rig. You use the rigging and armatures in the. So the task is, guys, you need to rig any mesh. So you can search in the internet, or so let me show you this one. So okay, okay, I'm telling that one. Okay, don't get panic. Okay, for that. So so go for Google, search morning mesh. You can go for any basic. So here you see, you can see. So see this is a basic human mesh. So this is the thing I have shown you. So here you can get some basic mesh of human boys and girls. So rigged male. Okay, this is blender. Okay, this is a blender dot blend. So see, he also done the same. So you can get this kind of bones too. So you can adjust that in the bone settings. Okay, we have bone settings here. So okay, let me show you. Okay, think it's time up now. We can see that tomorrow. So bone settings we have groups. Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot to show this one. So rigify button we have now. So here we can press generate rig. Okay. So it also takes time. If we press generate rig, we will get so it's hanging. So don't panic for this. Okay. This is the crucial moment. If you have a good rig, you can get good one. Okay. Press yes. So see. So what the Maya and etc. We get this one. Okay. So select first the base mesh and this pose modes. Just Control P. Automatic weights. You can make this also as an automatic way. Whether which way it's comfortable for you, you can do as you wish. Okay. Rigify makes for standard pose models like human standard pose models. Okay. So this is somewhat higher level. Okay. So not that much higher level, but okay. So if someone is asking, those are paid as no, it's free. By default, you will be having in the so go and search in the add-ons. Okay, it's the part of the class because there was a problem with this. So it's not from my side, I think. So I have a good internet connectivity. So we have shared screen. Time we are unable to see. Before, so it's been the task once again. So take a basic mesh and rig and render the render the scene and with proper lighting and materials and export and give the .mp4 file and .blend file. Okay. Okay, I am repeating once again. So take a mesh. I think you can go for human mesh, dog mesh, horse, etc. of your choice. Even you can make your own mesh and bones. Okay, I will show you how to make bones of your custom. Okay, according to your what we say requirement. Okay, it's up to you and rig that and show the create an animation and render that one into a .mp4 file. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, that happens. Okay. Tomorrow we can repeat once again. Okay, if you have any doubts with that. Okay. So task you remember. If you have any issue, go for online references. And again, if you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow class. Okay. You can you need to upload the .mp4 file. Okay. It's today. It's this is the class here. So any doubts, etc. I am imported lights, but okay, we can end this session, right? So madam will tell about the task submission. If according to me, I will give day by day task. You need to upload. Yeah, you have to submit the .mp4 file and blend file also. Okay. So, okay, guys. Bye, guys.
Santosh, can I end the session?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, guys, please give the feedback of day 9.